1.3c, the order of operations including absolute value. The order of operations is a set of guidelines that we follow when we compute an expression with different operations. So this might mean an expression with addition and multiplication, or parentheses and exponents. This tells us which order we have to do them in. We can compare this to constructing an engine. Certain things have to come before others. So say we deconstructed an engine and then we decide we're going to put the case back on first before we put everything else back together. Well, then we can't do the other things. It doesn't make sense. We have to do some things before we do others. So just like that, we have to follow the order of operations in mathematics. So an acronym we follow to remember the order of operations is PEMDAS. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. When we're computing expressions with multiple operations, we always compute the parentheses first, then the exponents, then we multiply and divide, and then we add and subtract. So included with parentheses is absolute value. We always do absolute value first as well. So to demonstrate this, let's go through an example. Example 1. Compute 3 minus 2 times 1 plus 3 squared. So looking at PEMDAS, we should compute what's in the parentheses first. So computing what's in the parentheses includes 1 plus 3 squared. Well, we have to take care of that 3 squared that's in the parentheses first. So let's compute that. So we write down the same on the outside of the parentheses. 1 plus 3 squared is 9. So now we compute what's in the parentheses. 1 plus 9, 3 minus 2 times 10. So now we've taken care of our parentheses, or what operations are in the parentheses. So now we move down the list. Are there any exponents? No, there's no exponents. So we look at any multiplication or division we have to do. We have a 2 times 10, so now we compute that. So this becomes 3 minus 20. And now finally, we only have one operation, so we compute that, which is subtraction, and we end with a negative 17 as our answer. So let's try another example, this time with absolute value. So we can compute the parentheses and the absolute value at the same time. It doesn't matter which one we decide to do first. But we have to take care of the stuff here and the stuff here before anything else. So we copy down what's outside of those. And let's handle what's in the first parentheses first, or the absolute value first. So 4 minus 3 squared, we have to take care of that exponent before the minus sign. So 3 squared is 9, so this becomes 4 minus 9 on the inside of the absolute value, minus 4 divided by 2 on the inside of the parentheses. 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we've ended up taking care of that parentheses. So now we look, do we have any more parentheses? Yes, we have to take care of the 4 minus 9 on the inside of the absolute value. So 3 plus 7 times negative 5 times the absolute value of negative 5 minus 2 is what we're left with. So now we take care of our absolute value finally. Our absolute value of negative 5 is just 5, so this becomes 3 plus 7 times 5 minus 2. So now we move down our list. Do we have any exponents? No, we don't have any exponents left. So now we move down again. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes, we have the 7 times 5 right here. So now we take care of that. 3 plus 35 minus 2. And now everything else is addition or subtraction, and we can do it in whatever order we like. So 3 plus 35 is 38 minus 2 is 36 is our final answer.